What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I appreciate you guys' time. So today's video is going to be super short. It's simply to announce the winner of the channel giveaway. First one ever, provided by none other than Sleepy Performance. You got this awesome beanie to keep your heads warm during this winter. And to show my thanks, I'm also going to throw in a pretty cool sticker. I put these on my track helmets just to give it a little more personalization, a little more character. I think they're pretty cool. And like I said, just show my appreciation. I'm going to throw that in saying thank you for watching the videos and subscribe to my channel. So, the way I'm doing this, I've balled up the number of comments, put them in a hat over here. I'm going to pick a number, call it out, and then I'm going to count from the top down, not including my hashtag. That won't be the first one. We're going to start just the first one underneath mine. We're going to count straight down, and that'll be the winner to give away. So, here we go. Give it a nice little shape. A little more finagling with the fingers. That should be one. Alright. Drum roll. There it is. Comment number 4. I'm gonna go to the video. There's the video. I'm gonna go ahead, open up the comments, and again, not including mine. Start 1, 2, 3, 4. Billadeau Swaggins. Right there. Congratulations, Billadeau Swaggins. You are the winner. The first channel giveaway being Super Performance beanie and a pretty cool sticker. Here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna give you 24 hours. Go over to my Instagram. I'll link it down in the description. It'll be somewhere floating around on the screen. I just created it, so you're gonna be one of the first few followers on it. Here it goes. DO_the_DEAU. Do_the_do. That's it. You got 24 hours. Make sure you follow that page. Now, like I said, it's brand new. As a matter of fact, everybody that watches this video, go ahead, head over to Instagram. Give that page a nice follow. Be really, really appreciative of that. All that channel is going to be for is Subaru content, or rather motorsport content, be it Subi, the Volkswagen, the Acura, my bike, whatever. Everything is going to be pushed towards that channel that's motorsport related. That's it. Congratulations to Billadeau Swaggins. Hope you enjoy your beanie. 24 hours, that's what you got. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. I should have a video in the next couple of days dropping, so be ready for that. Later.